When doing a high step up, I like to pick a platform that's a little bit taller than my knee when standing next to it. You're going to put one foot on top of the box and you're going to do a step up on that leg. Now, when that foot is on top of the box, you'll notice that my heel is not coming off and I'm not dramatically bouncing off the floor to get up. So a key to do this is you're really leaning into that foot, and then I'm slowly pushing through that right leg in this example, standing all the way up. I do tap my foot on top of the box and then I go back down. So from this front point of view, you're going to see here that you do not want your knee to fall in. And actually all leg exercises, you never want your knee to cave in. You always want your knee pointing in the same direction as your toe. So if your toe is pointing straight forward, your knee should follow that. If you're having any knee pain on this exercise, really make sure that your knees are following the same direction as your toes. Sometimes your toes will like to go inward and your knee does not follow that, so make sure your toes and your knees are going in the same direction. As you're lowering yourself off the box, make sure you're using your muscles and slowly controlling that till you hit the floor. This exercise requires quite a bit of leg strength, so hopefully you've progressed through a normal step up and built up that strength that you can come and do this without bouncing dramatically off the floor. If you have not, go ahead and work up to a weighted regular height step up and then move on to this as you've built up your leg strength.